Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, and in today's video, around the corner we've got the little Massey Ferguson. I'm going to drive around here, speed fast. Hopefully. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It was a little quick one. Like I said, is it tomorrow's video update on the farm? 11. Right, I've changed the tractor. We're not going to be doing the 6820. We are going to be doing the digger. If we can, and if we don't get the digger, we will do the slurry tanker. We'll do the slurry tanker, the major slurry tanker, or the three. But thank you very much for watching, guys. See you later in the next one. Bye bye.